Welcome to Auto Premium, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, specifications, and features. Today, we take a closer look at the Ford Pinto, a car that made its mark in automotive history. Designed as an affordable and compact vehicle, the Pinto was Ford's response to the growing demand for small cars in the 1970s. The Ford Pinto was introduced in 1970 as a direct competitor to imports from Japan and Europe. It featured a simple yet functional design, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Pinto came in three body styles: a two-door sedan, a three-door hatchback, and a three-door station wagon. Its compact dimensions made it easy to maneuver, while its lightweight construction contributed to fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the Ford Pinto offered a range of engine options. The base model came with a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine producing around 75 horsepower, while higher trims featured a 2.0-liter or a 2.3-liter engine, offering more power for those seeking better performance. A 2.8-liter V6 engine was also available in later models, providing a more spirited driving experience. Transmission choices included a 4-speed manual and a 3-speed automatic, catering to different driving preferences. Inside, the Pinto's cabin was designed with practicality in mind. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. The seats were basic but comfortable enough for daily commuting. Though not known for luxury, the Pinto provided adequate space for passengers, especially in the wagon variant, which offered more cargo room. One of the key selling points of the Pinto was its affordability. It was priced competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Fuel efficiency was another advantage, with the smaller engines delivering respectable mileage, an important factor during the fuel crisis of the 1970s. Its lightweight design and simple mechanical components also made it relatively easy and inexpensive to maintain. However, the Pinto's reputation was overshadowed by safety concerns. The placement of the fuel tank behind the rear axle made it vulnerable in rear-end collisions, leading to highly publicized incidents. Ford faced criticism for not addressing the issue promptly, which ultimately affected the car's legacy. Despite this controversy, the Pinto remained in production until 1980, with over 3 million units sold. Today, the Ford Pinto holds a unique place in automotive history. While it may not be remembered as a high-performance vehicle, it represents an era when compact cars became a major part of the American market. Enthusiasts still appreciate the Pinto for its nostalgic value, and well-maintained models can be found in classic car shows. Some owners have even modified their Pintos, adding modern safety features and performance upgrades to enhance their driving experience. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to Auto Premium. Stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews, features, and historical insights. Let us know in the comments what car you would like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.